it's like 7:45, and it's windy and wicked. And even if you just look at the toilet bowl, the water inside is sloshing back and forth. I mean, the building is taking a pretty heavy winds. So, heavy rains moving in through the area tonight and over the weekend. And pulling a dumb move here, getting in an elevator. Hope it doesn't lose power, because then I would sit here for quite some time, which would not be fun. Anyhow, Bentley and I, we're headed down, do some last minute tidying up, get ready for tonight's weather, and it's going to be one of those rock and roll kind of nights. So hopefully if you're away for any period of time, you shut your storm doors. If not, let us know, we'll do it for you. But we got some heavy rains supposed to be moving in tomorrow. We had heavy rains this morning, and then the afternoon was pretty decent. It was windy, it was overcast, but no heavy rains. Let's see what tonight brings.